It's all right. Yeah, this would be if their apartment key, they hold it up to this thing and it turns green, and then they can use the elevator. Otherwise, I guess you have to call the people. Maybe that's how they get pizza delivered. I was wondering about that.
That's the pizza guy who lives here.
I hear somebody.
Oh my god!
Hello.
Surprise! Mwah. Surprise!
You gonna show me your house or what?
Hi. Surprise. He wanted to keep it a secret. You can turn